Yesterday we started to tackle foreshortened poses, and today we're going to continue that. And yesterday we realized that the challenge is not so much the foreshortening itself, but the fact that we're not used to these angles. We're not used to seeing the figure this way. And today is going to be even more like that because the whole pose is foreshortened. And so none of the stuff that we normally look for is going to look the way we're used to. So we need to learn to see these poses with a fresh eye. And to do that, I've got my mum, Mayko, here to help us.
Hi.
My name's Kenzo, and this is Love Life Drawing. So what she does is turns the figure into a landscape of abstract geometric shapes when it's a pose like this, right? And what's the first thing that you look for?
Basically, the foreshortening is all about the relationship between you and the model. So check out the part of model nearest to you.
Right.
Then what comes behind of that nearest part, and also put attention how that the shape behind the disappear.
So you got the simple geometric shape nearest to you, and then each shape going back from that, and then how each shape disappears behind the one in front of it, the overlap.
Until the shape farthest.
Okay, yeah.
Obviously,
easy peasy.
Sorry. Obviously, if you change position, whole thing change again.
So what's the second thing you look for?
Second thing is as usual alignment. It's not obviously it's not only for extreme foreshortening, but alignment and negative shape two best friends for us. So you do alignment.
So alignment as in, so like on this figure, the arms are not foreshortened, and we could check how the long foreshortened main part of the figure lines up against the hands, how it's lining up against the elbows, where's it cutting through, where's it cutting across, and then we can build up our map of abstract shapes against those horizontal alignments.
Yeah, even if it's short pose, it's good to do alignment because they make us aware where we.
You don't have to do it really perfectly and academically. You're just checking
just the eye.
Yeah. Your eyes just quickly flick. Yeah. So we made a video a while back about seeing the abstract shapes in a face to help you to draw it, and we got some comments like, you shouldn't, look for abstract shapes in the face. You should learn the anatomy of the face, or you should learn the forms of the head and that sort of thing. And my response was always the same. It's that these are not mutually exclusive skills. You don't have to just do, look for abstract shapes and then you're not allowed to see any anatomy or any simple 3D forms or whatever. You can flip between these things. You can flip between this skill of abstracting and seeing these abstract shapes in the figure. And then you can go back and look at, the anatomical landmarks, and especially useful for these poses because they're so unusual. You can flip your eye into these different modes to help you with drawing. All of these are tools. And, it's not like you say, oh, well, if you're using a drill, you can't use a hammer. You can use both. You know what I mean? And you pick them out of your toolbox and use them when they're going to be useful for you. So good luck with your drawings, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for some super quick gestural drawings, which is going to be really, really fun. So good luck with the session, and see you back here tomorrow.